Yeah, what's up, yo? Got a dollar store right here. The Matchbox and the Forza Horizon 4. I was I got me a little haul. This one's going for Mike Dyson. He said he was looking for this one. Hopefully he doesn't have it. Um, I also grabbed one of these 62 Mercedes vans, and I don't know if it's double or not, but just in case, if anything, I know my son would like Porsche. And I doubled on the 180s and one Lamborghini. I don't remember if I was missing I'm missing some from this set. I don't remember exactly which ones, but yeah, not bad, I guess. And there's more of the 180s. It's like a few back there, and so are the Lambos and what the other castings: Mercedes, BMs, Shelby's, and Aston. But yeah, man, I mainly came here because I thought they were gonna have the exotic set, the black cards. I think that's the one that was being hidden on the dollar stores, but this is not bad actually. So yeah, just a heads up. So go ahead and also check your Dollar Trees, and hopefully they got some nice fresh Hot Wheels and or Matchbox. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hey, what's up, everybody, man? Take a look. Just got to this store. This is the 51st anniversary set, and take a look. They got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, the nice blue interior, man. Take a look at the engine coming out of the hood. These gassers are really nice, man. You have the muscle speeder, and you have Volkswagen T2, very nice looking BW. Man, what else should be in here? There's a 32 Ford. Let's see. Well, there's a 32 Ford of a fast bed hauler. That's the one I'm missing. Yeah, take a look. Muscle speeder, 32 Ford. I think this is the only one now that I see the rest. 32 Ford, and you have the Corvette, Gas Monkey, Garage. A very nice piece. The Bel Air Gasser, like I said, and the T2. So I guess I am missing the fast bed hauler and the chase piece, but not bad, man. I got 5 out of the 7 or 6 if I don't get the chase. I will take a look at the store, man. They have whoops, they have more Hot Wheels. There's a treasure hunt right there, but yeah, I don't see um many any other of the 51st. Oh, actually, there's oh no, there's a repeat. I thought they said never mind. Got excited for a minute or for a second, but yeah, man. Only got these 6. I might even double on the T2s or the Bel Air. Who really knows, man? But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, man. I haven't hunted much. I'm after the um after the Nissan set, but no luck. Hopefully I get with Wesley and he'll trade me or send me some, sell them for me. and I also have been ordering stuff from eBay. But it is what it is, and yeah, hopefully I keep it in a budget, man. I'm going crazy over those Hot Wheels and stuff. But yeah, see you guys, and hope you guys get a set. See you all, and take care. Yeah.